everyone, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to make some knotting. So I'll start with knot. So first you do left over right and right over left. You cross it, tie it, and you will see a reef knot. Yeah, it's as easy as that. For the following knot, it will be as easy as this also. So we'll see our next knot thing. Ta-da! Hey! For single shape band, make a loop and other rope, you just push it through the loop and wrap it behind, tuck it in itself, pull. Okay, so you will see it's done. Ta-da! So the use of this band is to connect two ropes together even though they are in different sizes. Yay! Okay. For double shape band, you make a loop like just now, and the other rope you push it into the loop and wrap it behind for twice and tuck it into itself. Tighten it. Okay. So its use is the same as the single shape band. It's to connect two different ropes with different sizes. Okay, show time. Ta-da! Okay, it looks nice. Single ball line, you make a small loop, and for the end of the loop you push it up into the loop. Okay, wrap it around the standing part and you put it into the loop just now and tighten, so you will see the line. Its use is to make sure that the loop does not get tight when pulled. For double ball line, it's the same, just that you have to wrap it twice like this, and you just put the other end of the rope up into the loop. Okay, and wrap it around and tuck it into the loop just now and tighten it. Okay, so you will see a stronger ball line. The use is the same as the single ball line, just that it's even stronger. Okay, nice. Almost end. For cloth hitch, so we'll hold the both end of the rope, wrap it behind the pole, and for left hand bring it to the right hand bring it to the left, and then now we have a cross. Okay, so for left hand side you bring it across the right hand side with your rope and wrap it behind and slide it into the cross section. So okay, as you can see from this, okay, so this is the outcome where it can hold it on the pole and it does not fall down. Figure of 8 is to prevent the rope from slipping out, so you kind of make a loop, and for the other end of the rope you bring it behind and tuck it into the loop. So it's done. Figure of 8. It looks like an 8. Okay. For a figure of 8 loop, it's kind of same, but then you have to fold the rope. Okay, so it becomes like this. So you make kind of like a loop and you bring the rope behind and you tuck it in the loop. So its use is to make a strong loop at the end of the rope. Okay. Yay! Here comes the last part of the video where we can actually make figure of 8 loop from single figure of 8. You start from making a single figure of 8 and you make it loose. Okay, you take the other end of the rope and you follow the 8. You follow the line exactly. So if it does not go wrong, you will get the same as our previous figure of 8 loop. Okay, I'm trying my best because the rope is too small for me. Okay, for here I think I look quite confused because I cannot find which line to follow. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm quite near to the end. Okay, I tighten it. Yeah, it looks exactly the same as our previous figure of that loop. Here's some demonstration, yeah, because I'm so excited. Yay! Another demonstration. Okay, thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much for the video. So today we have learned some of the knotting. So for the reason I put this picture as for my ending, it's because I think this is the hardest knotting for me because I enjoy it for many times. So but it's still kind of fun to learn this knotting. Okay, thank you, see you guys, bye.